Structure, I told you before, section A, one long question of 50 marks. I would suggest not to start from this question because it will take a lot of energy, concentration, and you will be exhausted, okay, very soon. So, my opinion would be that you should be, my opinion is that what you should do from start with either question 2 or question 3, which is like a light thing, which will not exhaust you, which will not take a lot of your energy. So do one question from 25 marks. If luckily the other 25 mark question also seem to be easy, attempt that as well. But I would suppose that you will see that, okay, 125 mark question is good, is easy, let's do it. The other 25 mark question is confusing, so let's stop it. So what you do 25 mark question, then move on to 50 mark question, then come back and do this 25 mark question, the last one. This is what most people should be doing. Or if you are very lucky, do 25, 25 and keep the 50 mark question in the end. But if you start with the 50 mark question in the beginning, it will take a lot of your time. So what will happen that it's because remember 50 mark question means 1 hour and 30 minutes, ideally speaking, half of the exam time. 3 hours exam, 50 mark question means 50% of the time. This is ideally speaking. You being probably you are going slow, so you would spend 1 hour and 40 minutes, maybe 1 hour and 50 minutes, and you are still on question number 1, and then you feel that it is also not going as you expected because there are some difficulties and you got stuck somewhere. You will be in a panic mode because you will feel that 2 hours are gone and I'm not able to finish the first question. You will get panic. And once you get under stress, you will start making mistake on these easy questions as well. So I would suggest pick up the easy one, 25, take the marks to your pocket. You know that I have done 25 mark question, maybe 20 I'm going to get from here, and then move on. Okay, so this is my advice. Section B has 225 mark questions, as I mentioned. This is that 50 mark question will have quite a lot of exhibits to read. Okay, so exhibit 1, exhibit 2, exhibit 3. So, and it will have 5 parts, maybe part A, part B, part C, part D, part E, and so on. I will only suggest you that when you are in exam, you should mention those numbers and names very correctly. For example, if you are doing question number 2, part A, you should mention 2A, okay, and mention 2B. And present your calculations and workings very neatly. So you might be attempting questions in a different mode because what happened, it is possible that 2 has 3 parts, A, B, and C, and question 3 also has 3 parts, A, B, and C. So you can do 2A, you can do 2B, then you can do 3A, and then you can do 3B, and then you can come and do 2C. No problem. Because 2C you left before because it looked difficult. So you said, I will do it later on. Let me first sort out those things which I'm confident. So I will do 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and 2C I will see later. But if you have given it proper numbering, it will be okay. But if the numbers are not clear, numbering is not done properly, then it will be challenging for you.